Ooh, I'm looking rough. Probably wait till I get my hair braided again before I get another haircut. But before I get into today's video, give y'all a quick update on my Tahoe. I had dropped it off Thursday. I was supposed to drop it off Friday is when I set the appointment, but I got done early on Thursday, so I called up there and left a voicemail. He called me back, told me that I can bring it up there. I went up there. He wrote down the knock sensor, and he heard ticking noise, so he put that down in his notes. Then Friday morning, he sent me a text message asking for permission to disassemble my engine. So my engine got to get disassembled. So I'll probably be in this rental for a while. So what I want to do is see what that sound system sound like in here. The speakers and all that ain't that loud, but let's see what some bass sound like in here. So stay tuned for that video. I'm about to have a guy come and check out a couple of these batteries I got for sale. Here's one of them. Here's both of them. Now there's just some been in back of my trunk. You can see where it kind of, and it's dented right there. He might not take this. I don't know if he even take both of them. This little dent right there. See if you want them both. If not, I just keep them really. That's dented in right there. As y'all can see, that's from the accident. Oh, this just came off. This one's fine. Yeah, so I'll see when it gets here. Let me find a voltmeter and actually see what the voltage is. Find my dang voltmeter. Oh well. So to get batteries are sold. Yes, I can hear him out there. He got two of these in there. He was up at Indy Ponds trying to get this before me, but they couldn't find a price tag on it. So now I'm up there. They didn't find it, so I bought it. So that's it. So that battery's gone. Probably go Battery Plus. They take old batteries, give you a little change for it. So where's that towel? Put this towel back up here. That's pretty much it for now. Next thing I need to do is work on recombs. Definitely, I'll probably do these last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already got that. 6, 7 recon. So yeah, keep y'all posted. I'll give y'all an update on the Tahoe. Right, so it's been about a week since I heard anything. So I called up there this morning, and the guy I usually deal with, I turned you off, was off today. So the guy who answered the phone, he looked into it for me. I'm so glad that I got the warranty. You better not pull out either. So he said a lot that I can't remember what all he said, but he said I'm gonna need a new belt. I forgot what belt he said. Coolant was leaking into the engine. And I'm pulling out for you. So the coolant was leaking into the engine. Had 2 push rods that was bent. I think he said a couple lifters got stuck. So that's the most common issue with that cylinder deactivation stuff. I think he said something about my cylinder, pistons or something. He said nothing's wrong with the crankshaft. He said they're gonna replace all the lifters. He said a bunch of more stuff. He said the total was around $6,500 for everything. And I'm like, got a standard warranty that should cover that. So they can go ahead and submit a claim and get that started. So guess I'm gonna be in this rental for a while. I guess I just throw a little, I don't got nothing little, so I can't say that. Guess I try to throw a sound system in here and go from there. I'm just so glad I got that warranty, because if not, I would have had it came out of pocket. So I'll just keep y'all posted on everything. I'm at Indy Ponds. All these amps, there's something wrong with them. Channel not working. Sound digital. This stays in protect. They got a tear amp. Let's see. Customer left. Not working. Some good amps up here. Working bass. Still some subs. Notes. I just picked up some shoes. Got some more Gammas, because the ones I had I messed up bad. But one thing wrong, is this tub right here. I'll take it up to my buddy and have him fix it and clean them up. Little dent right there. That's those.